Understand the fucking movement, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's going down. Look. Let go. Eyes closed with my head down, praying to the Lord, asking why is these motherfuckers Satan? When we just tryna make our way in, pacing around the game while you fuckers waiting. Yeah, new day, but it's the same shit. I'm on this good kush, most be on the same shit. That fire had you higher than the plane get. Spend your life in the day, we never save shit. Don't say shit if it ain't about that cake, bitch. Get your face lift. Yeah, I'm about it, boy. Shit is ice pack yak, I'm on my cool shit. And the movement is moving, so you should move, bitch. I don't know what you doing, look like you're losing. True shit, I get inside that booth and I just lose it. Bitch, I do this, I does this. Pacific District on the way, y'all can fuck with it. I never cuff bitches, boy, y'all let them fly. Y'all say the game, we here to let it die. It's money on my mind when I go to bed at night. Wake up to that same thought, I gotta get it right. Better get it right, but shit, we on the left. It's money over everything, I put that on the set. Ice cream bling, I put it on my neck. I'm G5 high, but I ain't on the jet. Yes. And it's death to the rest of y'all. Better pray to God he can save what was left of y'all. Yeah. And y'all to turn this good guy to a fucking Chucky dog. Welcome to your funeral. Yeah. It's real talk. Death to the competition. Amen.
Understand the fucking movement, y'all.